my channel Akash Classes. Previous class we discussed about the fundamentals of electrochemistry. Before going to the main content of electrochemistry, we also learn about more concept of electrochemistry. In previous section, we discussed about the redox reaction and oxidation number. But in this section, we can find out the oxidation state, oxidation number of a different element. Let's start the class. There are some rules to find out the oxidation state. Number one rule: the oxidation state of any atom in its elementary state is zero. If the atom is in elementary state, then its oxidation state will be zero. Example: iron. It is an element and it is in the form of atom, so its oxidation number is zero or oxidation state is zero. Aluminium, it is in its elementary stage, so its oxidation state is zero. In sodium also, it is in its elementary state, so its oxidation state is also zero. कौन कहला ना जदि गोटे आटम तार एलिमेंटरी स्टेट रे अछि ताहाले तार ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट रहबो जीरो, तार ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट हबो जीरो. देन रूल नंबर 2 कोन? व्हाट इज द रूल नंबर 2? ना इफ the group 1 elements are in the state of a bonded state, it is in the present bonded state, then its oxidation number will be, or oxidation state will be, +1. Let's explain. In group 1, what are the elements? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. But francium is radioactivity element, so except francium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium shows oxidation state +1, because sodium. What is the electronic configuration of sodium? 1s2, 2s2, 2p7, 2p7, 2, 2, 2, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. But in bonded state, sodium converts to Na plus ion, and Na plus ion is more stable than sodium. In compound state or in bonded state, Na plus is more stable than elementary sodium. So in the compound, Na becomes positive and chlorine becomes negative, and sodium carries a positive charge. So the oxidation state of sodium will be +1. Then rule number 3. In group 2, that is the S block element, group 2 S block element, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. It also oxidation state will be +2. Let's take an example. Magnesium. What will be its electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p8. In elementary state, magnesium have 2 plus 2 plus 8, 12 electron. For getting the electronic configuration of noble gases, it must have released 2 electrons. Due to releasing of 2 electrons, Mg will be converted to Mg2 plus. Let us take an example, MgCl2. In MgCl2, Mg has +2 charge on it, so the oxidation state will be +2. So In this way, beryllium has also oxidation state will be +2. Magnesium has also oxidation state will be +2. Strontium has also oxidation state will be +2 and barium also +2. Then rule number 4, hydrogen shows two oxidation state, that is +1 and -1. In non-metal case, it shows +1 oxidation state because non-metals are highly electronegative element. If hydrogen bond with non-metal, then the non-metal will attract the electron of hydrogen. So in hydrogen, positive charge will be developed. So +1 oxidation state will be shown by hydrogen when the non-metal is bonded with hydrogen. So in case of H2O, H2S, H2SO4, HCl, the oxidation state of hydrogen will be +1. In H2S also, the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1. H2SO4 also, oxidation state of hydrogen is +1. And in HCl also, oxidation state of hydrogen will be +1. But when hydrogen is bonded with metal, then the oxidation state of hydrogen will be -1. Because metal has low electronegative character. So due to low electronegativity character, hydrogen will attract the electron of metal atom. So in hydrogen, a negative charge will be developed, and the oxidation state of hydrogen will be -1. Then rule number 5, that is in case of oxygen shows multiple oxidation state, that will be -2 to +2. It will be -2 or -1 or 0 or +1 or +2. In 90% case, oxygen will show -2 oxidation state. Oxygen will be show -2 95% case. 95% case oxygen -2 oxidation state देखेबो. In H2SO4 also oxygen will be so -2 oxidation state. H2O oxygen will be so -2 oxidation state. In KMnO4 it will be so -2 oxidation state. And K2Cr2O7 also oxygen shows -2 oxidation state. But in peroxide ion or in peroxide compound, oxygen will be so -1 oxidation state, and in superoxides oxygen will be so -half oxidation state. Then rule number 6, in case of fluorine, the oxidation state will be -1 always. Fluorine will show oxidation state -1 because oxygen has highest electronegativity character. Due to highest electronegativity character, fluorine always shows -1 oxidation state. If we take an example, OF2. OF2 is a compound. Where fluorine has highest electronegativity and oxygen is the central atom, and due to high electronegativity character of fluorine, the fluorine will attract the electron from oxygen towards itself. So fluorine develops a -1 charge, and this fluorine also develop a -1 charge. So in central atom oxygen, it will be develop a +2 oxidation state in oxygen. Oxygen also shows +2 oxidation state. In OF2 compound, it shows +2 oxidation state. Then O2, in case of O2F2, there is a central atom OO. There are 2 oxygen atoms, so there is no electronegativity difference, so there is no developing of charge. But due to presence of fluorine, fluorine will attract the electron of oxygen. So in fluorine, -1 charge will be developed. This way oxygen will get +1 charge and so on. So oxygen can show -2 -1, 0, +1 and +2 oxidation state. Then we will find the oxidation state of compound, oxidation state of elements in compound. KMnO4. What will be the oxidation number of or oxidation state of manganese in KMnO4? In H2SO4, what will be the oxidation state of sulfur? In H2O, what will be the oxidation state of oxygen? Now we find out the oxidation state of manganese KMnO4. We know that potassium has the oxidation state +1, and we don't know the oxidation state of manganese, so it will be taken as X. And for oxygen, the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. For 4 oxygen, it will be -8. And we know that it is a KMnO4 is a compound, so it has a total charge of 0 because it is a neutral and it is a compound. It has total charge 0. So potassium has oxidation state +1 and manganese is, we don't know the value, so it will be taken as X. And for 1 oxygen it will be -2, and for 4 oxygen it will be -8, and it is equal to 0. So +1 + X and -8 is equal to 0. So X - 7 is equal to 0. So X is equal to +7. So the oxidation state of manganese is +7. And these two will be homework for you. And next class we will discuss the main content of electrochemistry. Take care. Bye.